If you live in Nashville and want to get stronger with kettlebells, this video is for you. My name is Zack Henderson. I'm a personal trainer here in East Nashville, and I've been a certified kettlebell instructor for 15 years, specializing in strength, conditioning, and mobility training. Now, you don't need a fancy gym or a ton of time to get a great workout. And with just a few kettlebells and the right program, you can get in the best shape of your life right in your own living room. My approach is all about training for longevity, real-world strength, and feeling good in your body. I'm best suited to help three kinds of people. First, busy parents and professionals who want to maximize their training time. Second, folks over the age of 50 who want to stay strong and move well as they age. And lastly, anyone who's not super comfortable in a traditional gym environment. Everyone starts with a no-obligation phone call to break the ice and chat about your goals. If it sounds like a good fit, we'll meet for an in-home or private studio session, go over some basic movements, and come up with a sustainable game plan. So if you're looking for kettlebell training in Nashville and want a smart and personal approach, just click the link below or scroll down this page to learn more.